Imagine someone hurls an insult at you. Your heart races, your fists clench, and a storm of rage brews inside. What if I told you there's a way to stand in the eye of that storm, unshaken, with a quiet strength that no one can touch? Not through force, not through argument, but through a power so profound it turns chaos into calm. This isn't a fantasy, it's a skill forged by the ancient Stoics, and it's yours to claim. Today, I'll guide you through their timeless wisdom to master your mind, tame your emotions, and rise above any provocation. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll hold the key to an unbreakable peace. Anger is a thief. It steals your clarity, poisons your relationships, and hands your power to whoever lights the fuse. The Stoics, thinkers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, saw through this. They didn't just dodge anger, they dismantled it. Their secret: true strength isn't in shouting back or proving a point, it's in ruling yourself. Let's walk through 5 simple, life-changing steps to build that strength inspired by their teachings, so you can face any insult, any slight, with a steady heart and a clear head. First, shift how you see the world. Seneca, a man who faced exile and betrayal, said we suffer more in our minds than in reality. When someone lashes out, calling you worthless or mocking your efforts, pause. Their words feel like daggers, but only because we sharpen them ourselves. Ask, is this about me, or is it their burden spilling over? 9 times out of 10, it's their frustration, their pain, not your truth. Picture their insult as a gust of wind, loud, fleeting, and gone. Say to yourself, this isn't mine to carry. Feel the weight lift as you let it pass. Next, know your territory. Epictetus, once a slave with nothing to his name, taught a golden rule. Some things you control, others you don't. People's opinions, their sneers or sarcasm, beyond your reach. But your reaction, that's yours alone. When someone cuts you down, don't wrestle with their words. Step back. Ask, can I change this? If not, why burn your energy? Let their noise fade into the background and keep your focus on what you can shape. Your own calm. It's like tending a garden. Weed out what doesn't belong and nurture what does. Now brace yourself ahead of time. The Stoics had a trick, picturing trouble before it strikes. Marcus Aurelius, emperor of Rome, woke each day expecting rudeness, selfishness, even betrayal. Not to despair, but to prepare. Try it. Each morning, take a breath and tell yourself, today I'll meet people who test me, loudmouths, critics, fools, and I'll stay steady. When the moment comes, an offhand jab or a public slight, it's no shock. You've rehearsed it. The sting fades and you stand taller, not because they're kinder, but because you're ready. Then master the art of stillness. Nothing disarms a provocateur like indifference, not cold or smug, but serene. Imagine someone yelling, veins popping, while you nod, smile faintly, and walk away. Their anger needs your fuel to burn. Starve it. The Stoics knew this. A fire without air dies fast. Next time a coworker snaps or a stranger baits you, don't bite. Stay quiet. Let your calm be your shield. They'll sputter, confused, while you keep your peace. That's not weakness, it's command. Finally, build your fortress daily. Stoicism isn't a quick fix, it's a craft. Like a muscle, your mind grows stronger with use. Take 5 minutes each night, grab a notebook, scribble what ruffled you that day. Maybe a friend's dig got under your skin. Write it down. What happened? How did I react? What could I do next time? Over weeks, you'll spot patterns, catch yourself sooner, and feel the shift. Pair this with a quiet moment. Sit, breathe, reflect. The more you know yourself, the less others can rattle you. Here's the heart of it. No one can shake you unless you hand them the reins. The Stoics didn't promise a world without barbs. They gave us armor to wear through it. Your perception, your choices, your practice. These are your tools. Start small. For the next week, when someone prods you, Meet it with a steady gaze and a silent vow to stay whole. Watch how they falter, how you grow. Share what you find below. I'd love to hear it. If this sparks something in you, hit like, subscribe, and let's keep carving this path together. The journey to an unshakable mind starts now. Step into it.